Are you looking for the best Vaseline Cocoa Rose Gel Oils? In this video we will look at some of the best Vaseline Cocoa Rose Gel Oils on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 200 ml Vaseline Cocoa Rose Gel Oils Deep Nourishing Skin. Every drop of this 200 ml Vaseline Cocoa Rose Gel Oils Deep Nourishing Skin Brightening Dry Dull Skin Vitamin B3 Glow Body Oil melts gently into the skin, bringing out a natural glow that feels alive. The rich blend creates a smooth, touchable softness that stays with you through every moment of the day. Each application surrounds you with a subtle, elegant aroma that uplifts the senses while wrapping your skin in lasting comfort. Its carefully balanced nourishment helps revive tired, dull areas, giving your body a radiant look that feels truly cared for. The silky texture spreads effortlessly, leaving behind a luminous finish that looks healthy and refreshed. This indulgent body oil turns everyday care into a luxurious ritual, encouraging confidence and elegance with every use while drawing attention to your natural beauty in a way that feels effortless. Number 2. Vaseline Body Lotion for Men and Women. This 400 ml Vaseline Body Lotion for Men and Women moisturizing fragrance brightening skin exfoliating white vitamin B3 body cream brings a touch of everyday luxury to skincare. Its velvety texture glides smoothly, soaking into the skin and leaving a fresh, radiant look that feels alive. Each use surrounds you with a gentle scent that calms the mind while giving your body lasting comfort. It helps the skin appear soft, bright, and well cared for, enhancing natural beauty in a way that feels effortless. The carefully balanced formula works to revive tired areas, making the skin look healthier with a noticeable glow. Using it daily turns simple care into a refreshing ritual that boosts confidence and elegance. This body lotion becomes more than just a moisturizer, it becomes part of feeling good in your own skin every single day. Number 3. Thailand Number Body Cream. This 100-gram Thailand Number Body Cream hydrating, moisturizing, brightening, darkening and lightening melanin body lotion wraps the skin in a smooth, comforting touch that feels luxurious from the very first moment. Its silky texture absorbs beautifully, bringing out a healthy, luminous appearance that glows with confidence. Each application surrounds you with a subtle freshness that makes daily care feel special. The nourishing blend helps restore tired skin, leaving it looking soft, vibrant, and well cared for. It supports a more even appearance, giving the body a natural radiance that draws attention without effort. Using it regularly transforms a simple routine into a calming self-care ritual that uplifts the mood and enhances your natural charm. This body lotion brings a spa-like feeling to everyday moments, making skincare feel like a personal indulgence that you will look forward to each day. Number 4. Vaseline Body Repair Cream. This Vaseline Body Repair Cream moisturizing water-locking hand and foot crack cream, no fragrance, nourishes and brightens skin color, creates a soothing touch that makes daily care feel comforting and special. Its smooth texture melts gently, forming a protective layer that keeps the skin feeling soft and refreshed for longer. Each application brings a sense of calm while deeply caring for tired areas, leaving the body looking radiant and well loved. The fragrance-free composition makes it feel pure and gentle, giving the skin a balanced, healthy glow that looks naturally beautiful. Regular use turns a simple moment into a nurturing ritual that restores confidence and elegance. This cream brings a spa-like softness to hands and feet, helping them appear smooth, supple, and full of life. It is a thoughtful choice for anyone who values lasting comfort and visible transformation. Number 5. Vaseline Deep Moisturizing Repair Soothing Brightening Skin. This 725 ml Vaseline Deep Moisturizing Repair Soothing Brightening Skin moisturizing Vaseline Cocoa Body Lotion envelopes the skin in a silky touch that feels indulgent and comforting. Its smooth texture glides beautifully, absorbing deeply to reveal a luminous look that radiates natural beauty. Each use surrounds the body with the gentle warmth that makes self-care feel special and nurturing. The rich blend works to restore tired skin, leaving it soft, supple, and full of life. The delicate cocoa essence creates a calming atmosphere that turns daily moisturizing into a serene ritual. With every application, the skin appears more balanced, refreshed, and naturally glowing. This body lotion brings spa-like care into everyday life, helping you feel confident, elegant, and beautifully cared for from morning until night, making each moment with your skin a luxurious experience you will cherish.